Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Yahoo keeps replacing Google Chrome, how to remove Yahoo search from Chrome Easy Guide. So as you can see, I'm currently onto my browser or Google Chrome here and it shows the Yahoo search. For us to be able to remove this and replace this with Google Chrome, click on the three dots here onto the upper right corner of the screen and click on Settings. So here onto the settings, there is an option to change the search engine. So click onto that. Right after, click on change and then choose Google. Then set as default. Right after, if you open another tab on Google Chrome, it is now changed to Google Search. But if you want to completely remove that, you could manage this by clicking here and then right after, click onto the three dots and there is an option for you to delete that. And that is just how easy to fix Yahoo keeps replacing Google Chrome or how to remove Yahoo search from Chrome Easy Guide. If you think this has been helpful to you, then don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.